Hi, it's Mr. Fagioli here with a quick tip about how to create clipping masks. I already have my picture set up here, so whatever picture you want to use, a pattern, texture, whatever it is, you have to bring that in as a separate layer. As you can see, I have this as layer 1. So I'm going to try it with text first, so I'm going to use the type tool to create a piece of text. In this case, I've set the font to 120 so that it's nice and large, and for clipping masks, a very bold font works the best. So in this case, I've chosen Rockwell Extra Bold. So I'm going to click in here and type stone. As you can see, this created an extra layer automatically. So I'm going to line this up where I want it first. Then, the most important part for a clipping mask is that whatever thing you want to clip inside of the text, you need to get that on top of the text. So we're going to take this layer 1 and drag it on top of the stone text layer. So now that it's there, and you know it's not gone forever, I can reveal this and hide this and show that this is here. But now that I have this, there are two ways to create the clipping mask. One is to go up to the layer menu and choose what it says create clipping mask. That's one way. But the quicker way that I like is if you right click on your picture layer, you can say create clipping mask, and now I have it clipped inside of here. Again, because this is non-destructive, I can still use the move tool to line my stones up the way I want it to look. If I want to move them together, I've got to hold shift and select both layers, and now I can move my text and picture together to where I want it. Right? If I just select my text layer, I can still put blending options or layer styles onto this. So if I double click on this layer, I can now actually add a stroke if I wanted to this. Make the size a little bigger so we can see it. And now that actually has the outline added to the text. Still with the clipping mask there, still non-destructive. If I select the picture, I can still move it around. Okay? So really nice and easy way to create a clipping mask. Now I'm going to go all the way back because I want to show you that you can actually create a clipping mask for anything, not just for text. Say for instance I take the rectangular tool and I just want to make this into a different rectangle, or actually let's do something different. Let's take the ellipses and I'm going to just create a black circle here, black oval. So if I take this, line it up again with this, same way with the text. If I want to create a clipping mask inside of this, I take layer 1, drag it on top, right click, create clipping mask, and now that's clipped inside of my oval shape, right, which is still here. Again, if I want to move both of them, I'll highlight them both and move it around to where I want it. Alright, so clipping mask is a really nice way to incorporate pictures within shapes or within text.